In this video, we will be looking at common and proper nouns. We will be answering questions such as, what is a noun? What is the difference between common and proper nouns? And why should we be learning about common and proper nouns in the first place? So please do stay tuned. The first thing we should be asking ourselves is, what is a noun? A noun is a word that functions as the name of an object, a set of objects, a person, animal, place, phenomenon, substance, or idea. This is quite a lengthy definition, so to make it a bit understandable, let's look at a few examples of nouns according to this definition. An example of an object is a box. That of a set of objects, a flight of stairs. A person, Kayla. A leopard, animal. Place, Indonesia. Phenomenon, happiness. Substance, water. Or idea, democracy. As you can see here, I tried to represent these examples in picture form. Now, what we should ask ourselves is, how can we identify nouns in a sentence? Like, how can you tell that a certain word is in fact a noun among other words? Knowing this helps with how we use these words in sentences, because nouns can be singular or plural, common or proper. So knowing which words are nouns helps with how we use them in everyday language. I will be answering this question along the course of this lesson. I will be showing you ways to identify nouns and resources to use if you cannot identify these nouns on your own. So let's compare common and proper nouns, starting with their definitions. A common noun is a general, non-specific name of a person, place, living being, or thing. On the other hand, a proper noun is a specific noun, the name of a person, place, company, or month. Let's look at some examples of common nouns. These examples are girl, city, building, food, language, and month. Now let's look at some specific nouns that correspond to these common noun examples. These examples are Emma. Emma is a specific name of a girl. As you can see here, Emma is a specific name of a girl. Tokyo is a specific name of a city. Empire State Building is a specific name of a building. Big Mac is a specific name of a type of food. English is a specific name of a language, and January is a specific name of a month. Look at how all these proper noun examples are capitalized. All these start with a capital letter. So to answer that question that we had earlier on how to recognize nouns, in the English language, proper nouns are capitalized. As a result, they are easier to recognize in text. This is very important for you to understand because, as you can see over here, proper nouns Emma is capitalized, Tokyo is capitalized, even Empire State Building. Even though it has 3 words, all 3 of them are capitalized. We will discuss this a bit more in detail when we deal with compound nouns. So let's do a few examples together to see if we understand up to so far. We have given you 5 proper nouns over here. Think of the common nouns that relate to the following proper nouns. Remember, a common noun is a general, non-specific name. You can write down your answers down in the comment section below. I'll give you guys a few seconds to attempt this. Okay, so here are some answers. We have given you 5 common nouns. Think of proper nouns that correspond to them. Remember, proper nouns are specific names. You can write down your answers in the comment section below. And I'll give you guys a few seconds to attempt this. Okay, here are the answers. Now let's do the last question. We have given you guys 11 nouns. Identify which of these 11 nouns are proper nouns. these should start with a capital letter. I will give you guys a few seconds to attempt this. Here are the answers. The highlighted words are the proper nouns. Do you agree with us on these selections? If not, tell us why in the comment section below. Can you notice over here that university on its own is a common noun, but University of Cambridge is a proper noun because this is the name of a specific university. Now for some observations. In English grammar, proper nouns are capitalized, thus they are easier to identify. Exceptions are for proper names that start with a small letter. As we can see over here, iPhone is a proper noun. It's the specific name of a specific phone. But because the name iPhone itself starts with a small letter, this is an exception to that rule that we stated earlier on, that all proper nouns in English start with a capital letter. For the second observation, identifying words as nouns can be difficult, especially for English language learners. But the dictionary helps you with this. It tells you exactly which part of speech a specific word belongs to. For example, this is a dictionary entry for the word teacher. As you can see over here, the word teacher is specified to be a noun. Dictionaries will tell you which part of speech a word belongs to. It will tell you if the word is a noun, a verb, or other parts of speech. So over here we have some extra examples of common and proper nouns for you to use. That's it for this lesson. If you learned something new, give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys in the next one.